Did you have to leave so soon? Didn't wanna make you run around, 'cause it seems I tripped up once again. Now I'm lying down again, staring up into a cloud of questions. Why? Blurry vision, too tired eyes. Got a lot of things that I need to say, got a lot of things that I need to find a way to rest my head. Just trying to clean my eyes. Why did you walk away? Why did you walk away? 'Cause I'm thinking it's you. It seems I tripped up.